It's fun to cook.
When you're cooking in the kitchen, you're learning all the while to pour and measure, mix and stir, and sift flour into a pile. Scrub your hands before you start. Then gather up the gear, like pots and pans and measuring cups that you use throughout the year. Go over the recipe step by step so you'll know just what to do. By carefully following the directions, it won't be hard for you. Have a hot pad handy and an adult standing by so you won't hurt yourself when using the stove or baking a pie. Besides the fun and learning, there's always cleaning up to do. And even though it's quite a chore, it's part of cooking too. But after all the work is done, it will soon be time for dinner. And when someone asks for seconds, you'll know you've cooked a winner.